Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 10th, welcome again. Today we are going to start our unit number 2, which is theory of the quadratic equation. The first question is the short question here. The question is, what is discriminant? B square minus a 4ac of a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. The discriminant b square minus 4ac of the quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c, we know that two roots of the equation. There are two roots and the roots are minus b plus with plus sign under root b square minus 4ac over 2a and minus b with minus sign under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. The nature of these roots depends on the value of b square minus 4ac. This b square minus 4ac, the nature of the root depends upon this, which is called discriminant. So here this b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of quadratic equation 1, or the quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c. How we find the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation through discriminant? It is very simple. Nature of the roots of quadratic equation through discriminant. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 and is a perfect square, then the roots are rational, that is real, and unequal. It means अगर b square minus 4ac वो it is greater than 0, that is positive number, and perfect square like 2 square, that is 4, 3 square, that is 9, or a plus b whole square, then the roots nature is rational and unequal. If b square minus second, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 and is not a perfect square, that b square minus 4ac, its answer is greater than 0, for example answer is 2, but 2 is not a perfect square, then the roots are irrational and unequal. Number third point is b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Then the roots are rational. If b square minus 4ac answer is 0, then the roots are rational and equal. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that is negative, then the roots are imaginary. Imaginary means complex conjugates. Then the roots are complex conjugates. Now we come to the exercise. The first question is, find the discriminant of the following given quadratic equation. In this, we only have to find the discriminant. Now the first part is 2x square plus 3x minus 1 is equals to 0. Now we compare it with the quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. When we compare the coefficients, then a is equals to 2, b is equals to 3, and c is equals to minus 1. Then we write discriminant. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Now we put these values in it. B value is 3 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 1. Now 3 square is 9. Minus minus will become plus, and 4 twos are 8. So 9 plus 8 is 17. So here the discriminant is 17. Similarly, the third part, 9x minus 30x plus 25. Again, we compare with ax square plus bx plus c. So here a is 9, b is minus 30, and c is 25. Now we write discriminant is equals to b square minus 4ac. So minus 30 square minus 4 into 4 into 25. Now minus 30 square is 900, and when we multiply 4 with 4 and 25, then we get 900. So 900 minus 900, it is 0. Now the second question, find the nature of the roots of the following given equation and verify the result by solving the equations. Now we have to find the nature of the roots. The first equation is x square minus 23 plus 120. So first we compare as we done in the first question. Again we compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So a is 1, b is minus 23 and c is 120. Now we write discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac. Now minus 23 square minus 4 into 1 into 120. Now 23 square is 529, and when we multiply 4 with 120 and 1, we get 480. So 529 minus 480, which is 49. Now what is 49? 49 is a perfect square of 7. So we write 7 whole square. As discriminant is positive, that is, this answer is positive, greater than 0, and is a perfect square like 7 square. Therefore the roots are rational and unequal. Now we want to verify, so we write x square minus 23 and plus 120. Now when we have to verify, we will, how we verify, we will factorize this x square. Now middle term break, that is minus 15 and minus 8x plus 120. So x is common, x minus 15, minus 8 is common, x minus 15. Now x minus 15 is common, so we write x minus 8. So x minus 8 is 0, so x is equals to 8. And x minus 15 is equals to 0, so x is equals to 15. Now 8 is a real number, that is rational, and x is also a real or rational number. So these are also positive. So the roots are rational, but they are unequal. Like x is 8, one root is 8 and the other is 15. So in this way we can verify the nature, and also we can find out the roots of the given equation.